Hey friends, we're having our milk separator repaired today. The top edge of the piston rod has broken off. Let's try to fix this. I bought a new motor because the piston rod goes completely into the rotor. Let's compare them. They look the same, so let's replace them. The manufacturer installed a capacitor for some reason. It's likely to dampen the noise generated when the switch is turned on and off. But I think it would work without it. Since it's there, let's solder it in place. The capacitor is installed. Now it's time to put on the insulation. Now it's time to install the motor, but remember how everything was installed. This bolt is needed to center the engine. Now we need to adjust the piston rod height. It's adjusted with a screw. The more we unscrew it, the lower the engine and piston rod will drop. I think it needs to be lowered a bit. I'll unscrew the bolt now, lowering the engine. Everything seems to be in perfect position now, and it doesn't wobble. The engine is secured at the bottom by a special recess, and at the top by this white ring. Let's check the separator's operation. As you can see, everything works. Another device is repaired. I hope the video was helpful. Subscribe and see you in the next videos. Bye.